that we were never pressure groups in Telangana agitations. Building has happened, violent protests have happened. It was to make people realize, it was to the entire nation to realize that Telangana demand is not just an emotional demand. At the same time, we have participated in many discussions and debates and taken Telangana to the maximum level of national and international to people realize that yes, Telangana has to be given and today Telangana is given. But tomorrow, because during the process of this Telangana agitation, there were umpteen reasons on why we should consider Telangana state to be achieved. And today, because we have given promises to all those people, it is our responsibility, it is our duty that we fulfill those promises. We do not have trust over the same old traditional politicians or who believe in legacy politics, that they would continue the same hereditary politics. During the Telangana agitation also, if you see the entire Osmania University's understanding, geographically, socially, politically and culturally, Osmania University has stood as in the forefront for many social agitations, including the anti-corruption agitations. Whenever the reservation campaigns, yes, Osmania University believes that yes, pro-reservations have to be happen because marginalized sections still do not get the fair justice. And at the same time, we have been in academic movements also and on public issues. Whenever the officials or the governments have neglected the people or about Telangana resources. So it was just not a blank Telangana which we want. We want Telangana with a constructive reach to the people, to the least people.
Given a chance, would you like to join the politics?
Definitely, because we are not amongst those groups to stay away from politics and question the system, rather be in the part of the system and try to clean the system, and we will be in the mainstream politics and we will definitely make the politicians also know that yes, Osmania University has set a precedence, Osmania University has set an example, and entire India will see. It's not just an Aam Aadmi party, in fact it is Aam Aadmi theory, which youth will come, and tomorrow it is going to be a Yuva Telangana, which will set as an example. People are questioning about the GDP or people are showing Telangana as wrong examples, but we will show that Telangana's development, Hyderabad, Telangana and all the districts will be in the #1 state of India, and we will also give examples of Telangana with Maharashtra or Delhi and many other developed cities.
Okay, great.
Bourgeois type of mentality that they are seeing Hyderabad as a brand value, Hyderabad as a monetary economic value. Who are getting richer out of Hyderabad? Let it be a Hyderabad in the previous Andhra Pradesh or in the Hyderabad in Telangana. If it is not benefited for the people of Telangana, then such a Hyderabad or such a city doesn't really go for a brand value. Let it be people from Seemandhra, or let it be from northern parts of India, or let it be from Telangana people alone. The people who have never got the real sense of Hyderabad, who have not got the economical support of Hyderabad, who have not got lands in Hyderabad, who have not got employment in Hyderabad, such people should be taken into consideration that they have to be given jobs. We are demanding a reservation in the private sector too, because status quo is not the answer at all. Because what has happened all these years, how they have tried to loot Hyderabad, how they have kept their industries here, and how quid pro quo has been happening between the Seemandhra people and many other capitalists also, that they are giving jobs only to their people. So tomorrow Telangana people will demand a fair share in Hyderabad too. So Hyderabad has been the bone contention that as long as Telangana people will not get justice, and justice is called social justice here in Telangana. We are the champions of social justice. We are teaching a legacy that yes, the weaker sections have to be taken into consideration in Hyderabad, and not only in Hyderabad, power and the development has to be decentralized. Such kind of Hyderabad, such kind of replica should happen in the rest of the districts of in Telangana also. And as Osmania University taking this agitation into forefront, we are not only demanding for a justified or a social Telangana. At the same time, development should happen in Seemandhra too for the weaker sections. Those weaker sections should take a lead out of Telangana, that student leaders or students or professors or weaker sections have taken a Telangana, initiated a Telangana and have brought a new state. At the same time, it is time for the Seemandhra weaker sections to grow up and see that they develop their own state too.
Sir, how complicated this whole thing has become, especially for the two regions? I mean, look at it a little clinically. As a professor of sociology, how do you really look at that?
Yeah. So, as an academician, I would like to state that the development has to take place both in Seemandhra as well as Telangana.